We have some work that's happening here on the Gulf Coast as well.
Yeah, we were looking at that backdrop right there. So from a high up above look, you got that right there behind you, Bobby D.
Two hurricanes.
Yeah.
One literally pulling the other one away from us. So thankful for Umberto for getting Imelda out of our way and out to sea. But unfortunately, it looks like Bermuda will have to deal with that. Let's start there with our tropical update for this evening. Pretty good. I mean, you've got a hurricane about 350, 400 miles east of Florida at this time. So that's not something we get all the time, but it's moving away. At the same time, look at the outflow over here. It's actually getting a little bit bigger. Winds are increasing, and so it's keeping that north to northeast wind over there on the East Coast. And we'll actually get a breeze Thursday and Friday, but it won't be from that. It'll be from a high pressure, believe it or not, coming in from the north. But it's going to feel good, I think, Thursday and Friday. There's Umberto. There's Bermuda right there. Umberto is kind of coming up and around, so it's already west-northwest of Bermuda, and the highest winds, which are falling with Umberto, they will stay off of Bermuda. The problem for Bermuda is going to be this: 85-mile-per-hour winds. It's moving to the east-northeast at 12 miles per hour. That is exactly what we need to take it further and further out to sea, and that'll happen as we continue to happen over the next several days. But look at Bermuda. Hurricane warnings now in effect. 100-mile-per-hour winds. Yeah. It's intensifying as it moves away to a Cat 2 hurricane and rolls right over top of Bermuda. Now look, it's a difference of miles for the high winds that they get because they're right around the center. Some of the models are going a little bit, just a little bit to the north of the island. And if that happens, that'll keep those highest winds off shore. But right now, that's going to be a tough call. Let's talk Umberto. Right now, 80-mile-per-hour winds continuing to decrease as we move through tomorrow. Those winds will stay offshore, but they are getting some clouds and a little bit of rain in parts of Bermuda now. So there are the forecast models, obviously finally in agreement. But again, Bermuda's right here, and this stretch right here is most of the modeling for Imelda. So again, it does have a chance of getting that eye a little bit further to the north. Now looking ahead, this is through the 14th. We'll be watching this area here, and then we really start watching here. And then in fact, as we get towards the latter half of the month, you see that's called the Central American Gyre. It's this big area of low pressure that develops here. In the summertime, we're looking out over Africa for those storms to come off. Those are the seedlings for hurricanes, right? The Central American Gyre basically makes seedlings. And so sometimes they come out, sometimes they come up, sometimes they go over. That's something we'll be keeping an eye on as we work our way through October. All right, rain, not a lot. This is not really rain here. They can't rule out a sprinkle. Those are some showers, but most of that's fallen apart. We've got eastern Polk County and Highlands with a sprinkle. 11 o'clock tonight, we will have one or two around the area through Tampa, but I don't expect a lot at all. Now tomorrow, sunshine will start dry, but 3:30, a few afternoon showers and storms. And look at the evening hours. This is about 8:30 to 9:30, all the way through about 10 o'clock with a small rain chance. Thursday, similar setup. I think we see just a little bit more afternoon showers on Thursday, not much. Here's what's happening. Thursday, see all this moisture down south? Watch what happens. It kind of backs up to the north. That's Friday and the Saturday afternoon. And then Sunday, it goes a little bit further to the north. I think Saturday is actually our better chance for some showers. So Thursday, Friday feel good. Lower dew points with the humidity, a little bit lower, and a breeze. Still some showers around, but nothing big. But Saturday, the humidity starts to come back up. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, the humidity really starts to come back up, especially by Monday and Tuesday. And it's going to be like summertime next week. We're going to get those afternoon showers and storms and easterly wind. Enjoy. I really think Thursday and Friday are some of our best days out there with upper 80s for highs. As we get towards Saturday, it is a 50% chance for rain. Don't cancel plans. It's mainly afternoon and early evening stuff. Just think kind of summer, but there'll be still a little bit of an easterly breeze.